welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. This is Michelle. Hope you guys had a nice holiday. We're gonna do a ring pour or a straight pour, and I'm gonna try and inject it. The last time I did this one, it was just too pretty. I couldn't wreck it with the injection. So we're gonna do the same colors. We have the white, which is the Decoart satin enamels in pure white. We have Decoart Americana 24 karat gold, Artist Loft, Metallic Cobalt blue. This is Amsterdam permanent blue violet blue, and I mixed in some of the Pebeo violet blue. This is Pebeo iridescent green blue. We have Amsterdam permanent violet red. And this is the Amsterdam greenish blue, but I've added a little bit of phthalo blue to it from Liquitex Basics. So we've got our cup. I'm going to do it a little bit differently this time. I'm going to go backwards with the colors and do the purple. Do I want to do purple first? Or I want purple in the center? Yeah, let's try it. So we're going to put quite a bit of that in the center. It'll be like our background color, base color. Why don't I put gloves on? I just don't. Craziness. White, more purple. That's it for the purple. And the greenish blue. Oh shoot, I forgot about the metallic. Oh, well, I didn't want to do that. Oh well. Forgot about the cobalt blue that whole time. And a little white. All right, there's our cup. Now, we're gonna put down some white in the center, followed by some gold around. And we're gonna pour. Here we go. And maybe this time we might wreck this one. Or not. So straight pour is from way up high, and you bring it down closer to the canvas as you get towards the end of your cup. Oh yeah, this is pretty too. Oh no, well, look what I did. Dang it. Well, it looks like it's going to get wrecked now. Made up my mind, or it made it up for me. Oh well, that's fine. I guess it was meant to be. So I'm going to torch this really quick. Bubbles out. And then we're going to do an injection. So I've got my cloud mix here, it's thinned out. Let me put a little bit around the edges first. And on the corners. And once I start injecting it, it's going to grow. So how do we want to do this? Well, we may as well go in where we messed up there. This is fun. It's a lot of fun, guys. I would highly recommend it. So we got all this white cloud mix underneath, and hopefully we're going to get some nice clouds out of this. See how it's clouding up right there already? What else do I want to wreck? I don't think I want to wreck too much more. See how it's growing now? Now, in the past, I just tilted it, but what I might do is spin it. I'm going to cover my corners and I will be right back. Okay guys, we're back. Got my corners covered. Corners covered. It's a little bit cold back here. I'm in Florida and it's been in the 40s and 50s. So I know I shouldn't complain given what's going on in the rest of the country. So we're gonna go ahead and spin this out. I'm gonna see what it's like. I've never spun it out before. I just like to try new things. So here we go. Well, that's interesting. All right, so there's a lot there for me. I'm gonna put a little bit through it. This is from the cup that I just poured. There we go. And I'm gonna mess that up a bit. Spit it out again. All right, so I'm looking here. I'm not that happy about that. So I might dump some of that off, and then of course it's on the opposite corners. This is like, let's just try to tilt some of this off. The reason I like the spinner is because you can kind of keep the composition. I have a big something or other in here. Hang on a second, let me grab my tweezers. There it goes. There. Walking it back and forth. And it's going exactly where I want it to go, which is nice. It's playing nice tonight. Cool. I'm gonna spin it out one more time. There, I think we're all set there. Ooh, I'm kind of liking that. All right, let's give it a torch. See if anything comes up. It's really interesting. I'm kind of liking it. Ooh, a lot of bubbles. That's the cloud mix underneath too. So those will probably grow quite a bit too. I like it. I really like it, guys. There's a lot of translucency coming through that one right there. It'll probably be like that for most of them. I'm going to put some more of the turquoise next to it. It's either going to mess it up completely or make it really pretty. We'll see. Oh, Jesus. Slippery little sucker. There we go. All right, let's see what we get out of this. That looks interesting. I don't hate it. Let's torch it before we do anything. I like it better than I had it before. I'm gonna leave it now, guys. I'm gonna let it develop, see what happens, because it's better than it was. But if I mess with it too much more, it's not going to look right. So that is a cloud wrecked straight pour. A little extra. I don't like that now. Dang it. What to do? Okay guys, so here it is. A lot has happened in this painting in the past little while. I did enhance a little bit here. I wasn't feeling it, so I just put a few lines through it, but it turned out okay. But what I really love is how the translucency. See how you can see that aqua through the white and then the purple and gold. And, this was another one I enhanced. It was looking a little too anatomical, so kind of fixed it. And there's that corner. Really happy with this piece. At first I wasn't, but there's just been so many cells that have popped up. So the injection doesn't necessarily produce clouds. I guess it could if the paints were thinner, but these were a little on a thicker side than a traditional cloud pour. But I'm pretty happy with it. And this was a cloud pour wreck, so anyhow, it's pretty special. Okay guys, so this is the dried result. And it looks pretty darn good. I'm really happy with it.
And this problem child here turned out not too bad either. So this is the dried results. I'm kind of happy.